إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف، هذا هو الطيب منهم.
Likewise, Ikhwan, social media, it causes many people to focus upon what they do not have. I guess some of the jinn are not happy. May Allah protect us all. Alhamdulillah, lakin al-mu'min ma yakhaf. Look, kuffar might be out the door. Subhanallah. Subhanallah, the power went off in the building. That's the first time I record that happened. Allahu Akbar. Some people may have been alarmed by that and had a nervous attack. The believer, ma yakhaf illallah azza wa jal. It's decreed. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah azza wa jal protect us from anything harmful. Now, social media causes many of the people to focus upon what they do not have. You see people, ikhwan, they're on social media, they want you to see their watch. If you're happy with your watch, why do you have to show everybody else? If you're happy that you have a nice watch, Allahumma baraka alayk, why do you have to show the world? Because you're still not happy. You have to brag and you have to boast. Hey everyone, look at my watch. I'm blinging. Because they're not happy. That's how shallow they are. Because if you're content with what you have, you don't have to show anyone. You're going to enjoy that moment with your children, with your family, and you're going to be content within yourself. But they're still not content. Even if the watch is $1 million watch. That's a sign of shallowness. I saw, subhanallah, someone who recently accepted Islam, may Allah Azza wa Jalla guide us and them. They said that basically they spent, he said, I earn X amount of millions today. And and I've spent, it was like around 6 million on cars. And basically I still don't know what to do. Nothing of this brings me happiness. Why? Again, because that person does not know where to find happiness. If you took that $6 million and you built a masjid, or you fed the poor for 6 million, we will see that some of the means to make you happy. Treating the creation well for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal.